Hello everyone, welcome to all. Subject Industrial Engineering, Chapter Inventory Control, Topic Question based on Service Level Model. Students, today we are going to discuss a topic in which we discuss a question which based on service level model. So let's start. Read a question and take some given data and return the given data. In the production system, average weekly demand is 600 units. It is a capital D which is given as a 600 units per week. Weekly consumption rate of item is given. And weekly standard deviation is 100 units. It is a sigma. Okay, sigma is 100 units, but it is weekly standard deviation. Holding cost is rupees 0.1 per unit per week, and unit price of inventory is 25. It is given as a CH holding cost, and unit price of inventory is 25 is C. If the lead time is of 4 week, lead time is given as a 4 week. Then for the 95% of service level is given, determine first safety stock. We know that the safety stock of service level model is Z into sigma. Second one, reorder level. We know that the reorder level of service level model is lead time into demand plus safety stock. Third one is the annual cost of maintaining a safety stock. So let's solve it. First of all, return some given data. What is the given data here? The weekly consumption of item capital D is given is a 600 units per week, and standard deviation is given as a 100 units, but it is weekly. Okay. Third one is a holding cost is given is 0. rupees per unit per week, and unit price is also given. C is rupees 25, and lead time is given as a 4 week. 4 week is the lead time, and service level is a 95%. Calculate first one is a safety stock. Safety stock. What is a safety stock? It is nothing but Z into sigma. But here the sigma is taken for complete cycle. For complete cycle. Here the sigma is 100 units per week, weekly, but lead time is given as a 4 week. Okay, friends. So complete cycle is divided into the 4 parts, is 4 weeks. So the standard deviation for complete cycle is sigma is nothing but sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square plus sigma 4 square. Here the sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3 or sigma 4 is equal to the sigma which is given as 100 units per week. Okay, students, because the lead time is here 4 weeks. So here the 4 sigma square, so sigma is 2 sigma. Here it is represent over the sigma for the complete cycle is represented as sigma dash. So sigma dash is 2 into sigma is 100. So for the complete cycle, the standard deviation is 200 units. Clear to all how to calculate the standard deviation for complete cycle? Putting this value in Z into sigma safety stock, we know that corresponding to 95% of service level, Z value is 1.645. Putting the value of the Z is 1.645 and sigma for the complete cycle is 200 units. 200. So how much? The 329 units is your safety stock. So safety stock is 329 units. Clear to all? Okay. Second one is calculate the reorder level. Reorder level is nothing but lead time into demand plus safety stock. Lead time is 4 weeks and demand is 600 units per week plus safety stock is 329 units. So how much? Calculate this data. How much? Yeah, okay. 2,729 units is your reorder level. Clear to all? How to calculate the safety stock or reorder level? Third one, determine the annual cost of maintaining a safety stock. Annual cost of maintaining safety stock. So it is nothing but a safety stock into holding or carrying cost of one inventory item. So here the safety stock is how much? The safety stock 329 units is a safety stock and holding and carrying cost is given as a 0.1 rupees per unit per week. But here calculate the annual cost, what is converted into the year. 1 year is equals to the 52 weeks, so multiply by 52 week. Calculate this data. So how much? 1710.8 rupees is your the annual cost of maintaining a safety stock. It is nothing but 1710.8 rupees is your annual cost of maintaining a safety stock. Clear to all student? Okay. How to calculate the safety stock, reorder level and annual cost of maintaining a safety stock. Thank you so much for watching. To be continued in next topic.